Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of blurry screen at login on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult to fix. Here's the thing, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane, make sure that the scale and display resolution are selected at the recommended values. These needn't be 100%, they can be 150%, 125%, 115%, anything. Just click on the downward pointing arrow and whatever is the recommended value, select it. That's how we fix this problem, okay? If this doesn't help, then search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on it and select update driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.